Adding more omega-3 to your diet is easier than you think. And today, I'll show you how. We often hear about omega-3 fatty acids, but what makes them so special? Our bodies can't produce them on their own, yet they play a crucial role in brain function, heart health, and reducing inflammation. Instead of relying on expensive supplements, you can create your own nutrient-packed omega-3 mix at home using simple, natural seeds. Let's break down 5 incredible seeds that are packed with omega-3 and other essential nutrients. First up, flax seeds, the omega-3 powerhouse, one of the richest plant-based sources of omega-3, specifically ALA, which supports heart health. But there's more to flax seeds than just healthy fats. They help balance hormones, making them especially beneficial for women's health, and they're loaded with fiber, which supports digestion and keeps things moving. For maximum benefits, grind flax seeds before eating to improve absorption. Add them to smoothies, yogurt, oatmeal, or even baked goods. If you're using ground flax seeds, store them in the fridge to maintain their freshness. Next, we have sunflower seeds, the nutritional powerhouse. Crunchy, delicious, and packed with essential nutrients. They're an amazing source of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your skin and cells from damage. They also support heart health by helping lower bad cholesterol and contain zinc and selenium, 2 key minerals for a strong immune system. Enjoy them sprinkled over salads, mixed into granola, or even as sunflower seed butter. Now let's talk about chia seeds. Tiny but mighty, one of the best plant-based sources of omega-3. These tiny seeds are loaded with fiber, making them great for digestion and keeping you full longer. They're also known for their ability to absorb water, forming a gel-like texture that helps keep your body hydrated. Plus, they're an excellent energy booster, which is why athletes love them for endurance. Mix them into smoothies, yogurt, or try making a creamy chia pudding. Moving on to pumpkin seeds, small but packed with benefits, also known as pepitas. These tiny green seeds are a powerhouse of nutrition, packed with omega-3, magnesium, and zinc, essential for brain and heart health. They're also high in antioxidants, which help reduce inflammation, and they contain natural tryptophan, a compound that supports melatonin production for better sleep. Enjoy them raw, roasted, or blended into smoothies for an extra nutrient boost. And finally, sesame seeds, a super seed for strong bones, tiny but packed with minerals. They're rich in calcium, making them great for bone health, and they contain lignans, plant compounds that may help balance hormones. Their natural oils and minerals also support healthy skin and hair. Use them in tahini, sprinkle them over dishes, or mix them into homemade energy bars for a nutritious crunch. Now that we know the benefits of these 5 powerful seeds, let's bring them together into one simple, nutrient-dense omega-3 mix. Here's what you'll need to make your omega-3 mix. 1/4 cup flax seeds, 1/4 cup sunflower seeds, 1/4 cup pumpkin seeds, 1/4 cup chia seeds, 1/4 cup sesame seeds. Mix everything together and store your omega-3 mix in an airtight jar. You can adjust the quantity of each seed depending on how much you want to make. For better absorption, you can grind flax seeds and chia seeds before mixing. Store your mix in the fridge to keep it fresh. Looking for an easy way to enjoy your omega-3 mix? Try this omega-3 papaya bowl. Simply slice fresh papaya, add a scoop of creamy yogurt, and drizzle with a little red berry sauce for a sweet and tangy touch. Then, sprinkle your omega-3 mix on top for an extra boost of nutrients. This bowl is rich in fiber, healthy fats, and antioxidants, perfect for a refreshing and energizing start to your day. Just make your favorite creamy broccoli soup, serve it warm, and finish with a generous sprinkle of your omega-3 mix. If you love brain hacks, delicious food and drink experiments, and discovering tasty benefits, make sure to subscribe to Smart Brain and Kitchen. Let's keep our minds sharp and our taste buds happy. Hit the like button, share this with a friend, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching. Stay curious and enjoy one bite and one sip at a time. See you next time.